Hey everyone, this is Tuesday's writing lesson. We are still working on writing our opinions, and I bet you've gotten really good at giving reasons why you are feeling or think the way that you do. Today I'm going to teach you that the best way to make your writing stronger is to include important information and to include details and facts in your writing, because then you'll be more convincing. Let me show you what I mean. Today I thought I would write about one of my favorite foods for dinner, and that's pizza. And in order for me to convince my mom and dad that we should have pizza for dinner, I have to give specific reasons. I can't just say pizza is the best because it's my favorite or because it is yummy. I have to think of those little details. So I think I want to say pizza is the best because you can have different toppings. Now, I probably need to list some of those toppings that I'm talking about. So you can have different toppings like, oh, here are some of my favorites. Cheese, pineapple, and ham. You may not agree with those toppings, but those are my favorite. I'm going to read again. Pizza is the best because you can have different toppings like cheese, pineapple, and ham. So now I have to make sure my picture shows that. So here are the pieces of pineapple. And I would go back then and make sure to probably color those in yellow, even do a label. Here are the pieces of ham. And then I have to make the cheese. I'm just going to draw some lines for my cheese. Now, did you see how I gave specific details? Okay, I didn't just stop with you can have different toppings. I made sure to list some of the toppings I was talking about. Well, here is the opinion we want to hear from you today. If you could ride an animal, any of these two animals, which one would you pick? Okay, would you pick an elephant or would you pick a giraffe? Think about what would it be like to ride up on that elephant? Think of those details or specific facts. Okay, don't just say because it would be cool. Or would you want to try riding on a giraffe? So take time today to try to write your opinion. You can start it with, I would like to ride on an elephant because, I would like to ride on a giraffe because, and then give us some reasons why. Try to be really convincing with some facts. Remember, you can also video record yourself just stating your opinion. That's important to be able to do too. Okay, off you go.